नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम जून सेकेंड वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है। भारत पे अनाउंस इक्वेशन ऑफ लॉयल्टी प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ विच इंडिया। सो भारत पे अनाउंस इक्वेशन ऑफ पे बैक लॉयल्टी प्लेटफॉर्म। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which country has benefited the most in Bitcoin investment gain in 2020? So that is USA. So USA get benefit from Bitcoin investment in 2020. Next, ICRA estimated India's GDP for financial year 22. So ICRA estimated 8.5% India's GDP for financial year 22. अगला क्वेश्चन। Which country recently constructed first fully stealth warship? So this is constructed by Russia. Okay. Next, which country has topped in the global liability index 21, which published by the economist intelligence unit? So Auckland in top. Next, Girish Chandra Chaturvedi reappointed as the part-time chairman of which bank? So Girish Chandra Chaturvedi appointed part-time chairman of ICICI Bank. Dahing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary declared as 7th national park in which state? So Dahing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is in Assam. Okay, Assam. Next, Center government extend LIC chairman MR Kumar's term till March. So this is 22. LIC चेयरमैन MR कुमार का टर्म अभी 30 जून को ये पूरा हो रहा था, ठीक है। सो इनको गवर्नमेंट ने 9 मंथ का एक्सटेंशन देके इसको मार्च 2020 कर दिया है, 2022। ओके, नेक्स्ट, विच RBI डिप्टी गवर्नर गेट 2 ईयर एक्सटेंशन? सो MK जैन का टेनर अभी पूरा होने वाला था, तो इसको सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने 2 ईयर का एक्सटेंशन कर दिया है। ओके, विच कंपनी हैज़ बिकम ICC's ऑफिशियल पार्टनर टिल 2023? सो भारत पे। ओके, भारत पे ऑफिशियल पार्टनर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल टिल 2023। ओके, नेक्स्ट, which country adopt first in the world Bitcoin as a legal tender? So El Salvador, first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. Okay, the World Bank projected India's economy to grow at how much percent in 2021? So World Bank estimated India's economy grow at 8.3% in 2021. Okay, which international organization has launched new global database named iFamilia? So this is launched by Interpol. Okay, next, who has been appointed MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank? So Chandrasekhar Ghosh appointed MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank. Okay, who has been appointed new election commissioner of India? So अनूप चंद्र पांडे अपॉइंटेड इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया। अच्छा, हु इज़ द प्रेजेंट चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया? सो चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया इज सुनील अरोड़ा। ओके, सुनील अरोड़ा। डोंट कंफ्यूज विद इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया एंड चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया। ओके, नेक्स्ट, विच स्टेट हैज़ क्लाइम्ड to third spot the anemia मुक्त भारत इंडेक्स 2021? So Himachal Pradesh third spot in anemia मुक्त भारत इंडेक्स 2021. Who assumed charge as Director General Naval Operation? So Rajesh Penkar, Director General of Naval Operation. CRISIL estimated India's GDP growth rate for financial year 21-22. So CRISIL estimated India's GDP growth for 21-22 is 9.5%. D 9.5%. Okay. Next, which country has elected as member of United Nations Economic and Social Council ECOSOC for 22-24 from Asia Pacific state? So India elected member of ECOSOC. Okay. Next, which country will host International Hockey Federation Hockey 5S World Cup 2024? So this is hosted by Oman. Okay, Oman. Next, who elected president of 76th United Nations General Assembly PGA with an overwhelming majority? So Abdullah Shahid elected president of UNGA for 76th meeting. Abdullah Shahid is belong to Maldives. Okay, Mal, sorry, Maldives. Next, who appointed new chairman of Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board? So A. Sanjeev Nandan Sahai appointed chairman of Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. Next, which state topped in the National Performance Grading Index of School Education for 2019-2020? So Punjab topped in Grading Index of School Education 1920. Recently, Hitendra Dev appointed as CEO of which foreign bank? So Hitendra Dev appointed CEO of HSBC Bank. Which Indian institution among the top 100 of the Asia University Ranking 21? So Indian Institute of Science Bangalore top 100 in Asia University Ranking. Next, which international organization has approved $500 million program to help boost India's MSME sector? So World Bank. World Bank approved $500 million loan to help India's MSME sector. Okay, MSME stand for micro, small and medium enterprises. Okay, next, CBSE partnered with which company to introduce coding and data science as new subject in 21-22 academic session? So it is Microsoft is introduced with partner with CBSE to coding and data science as new subject. Okay, next, which state has launched knowledge economy mission to boost job prospect in the state by supporting knowledge workers? So this is Kerala. Okay, Kerala launched knowledge economy mission. Okay, next, which state UT has launched Yon Tabs scheme for students to encourage digital learning? So this is done by Ladakh Union Territory. Okay, who appointed MD and CEO of RBL Bank? So Vishweswar Ahuja appointed MD and CEO of RBL Bank. Okay, next, who has been appointed as the World Bank Education Advisor? So World Bank Education Advisor Ranjit Singh Dasle appointed World Bank Education Advisor. The book 1232 km The Long Journey Home is authored by Vinod Kapri. Vinod Kapri. Okay, next, Prime Minister Modi has launched 3 E100 ethanol dispensing station under a pilot project in which city? So this is launched in Pune. Pune is in Maharashtra. Okay, which among the following bank has launched Kavach personal loan for COVID-19 patients? So this scheme launched by State Bank of India. Okay, State Bank of India. Next, which bank tops in Forbes World Best Bank list in India? So that is DBS Bank. Okay, DBS Bank top 8 Forbes World Best Bank list in India. Okay, so I discuss all very important question of this week. So if you find this is helpful, so like, share and subscribe with your friends. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. Okay, thank you.